Here's how to deactivate your Instagram account. Now you can see I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to walk you through the steps to be able to deactivate it no matter which device you're on. And they recently changed it, so make sure to follow along with these exact steps. First, tap on the profile button at the bottom right. You can see it's the same on iPhone and Android. And then tap on the three lines at the top right. Next, tap on Account Center at the very top. And scroll down from here. At the bottom, tap on Manage Accounts. And you can see I have multiple Instagram accounts. I'm going to choose this top one. Tap on the Manage button next to Instagram. And there you can see is deactivation or deletion. I'll just do it on my iPhone because it's the same from here on out. Make sure to choose to temporarily deactivate and not accidentally delete your account, and then hit continue. After you've done that, scroll to the bottom and hit continue, and then you'll be able to see it will ask for your password. Just enter in your password, essentially confirming you own the account, and then deactivate your account. Keep in mind you can always reactivate it just by logging back in. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.